it's Hannah here, and today I wanted to share with you my spring personal planner setup that I actually made a couple of weeks ago. I'm only just sharing it now when I am at home and have the time to do so. Either way, I'm always excited for spring. It's my favorite season, and I always look so much forward to the colors of spring, the pastels, the soft colors, and this is not a setup I had in mind. I had another setup I wanted to do for spring. I ended up creating a separate one, and I decided to use this planner to do that setup. I haven't used this planner in a long time. Now, this was the very first planner I ever bought. Like ever, my first planner. It is a kikki.K, and it is the Pause Gold limited edition one. Alright, so here we go. Here's the happy inside. Now, this is my one and only planner right now, like my on-the-go daily tasks planning. I use it for everything pretty much. But I am a full-time student, so pretty much all of my life is taken up by school, and I also live like on the school. I have my own room there, so pretty much my whole life is over there. But I wanted springy happy colors. I did use the kit. I think it might be the April kit from Happie Scrappie from last year. This little magnetic pin came from there. I love this little bee. Super cute and happy. Then I have here a die cut from Mommy Lhey. I think I got it as a Patreon freebie actually last year. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually like shiny paper. It doesn't show that well, but the paper is shiny, which in certain light looks really pretty. Then I have a Kate Spade flower paperclip and a K&Co wide paperclip. Then I have these sticky notes, which are from Simply Gilded. I did set up this planner actually, I think in early March, so I did have this set up also throughout St. Patrick's Day. We don't celebrate that here, but I still wanted to have kind of some rainbows and stuff because it fit. But I do love the pastel colors, so I've kept it even though St. Patrick's Day is over. Yeah, then up here I'm just holding the sticky notes down. I have a little love paperclip. I don't remember where it's from though. Here I have a die cut from Happie Scrappie peeking out. I didn't know where to put it, but I wanted to have it in here. Some fun characters. And then here I have some stickers. These are from Simply Gilded. And I believe I got these in the advent calendar. From 2019. I just stuck those in there. I love the colors. And I have this one just peeking out at the top. Then behind back here, these are just for decoration. I haven't used them, I think. But it's these circle stickers from White Deer Stationery. Gold foiled. And I think this colorway, yeah, it's called Macaron. I got these years ago, I think, but I love the colors, and they just fit this setup perfectly with the colors and the gold, so I put it in here. But I did have this. This is actually from Simply Gilded, and it's a pencil board. It's called thick laminated. I haven't really found any use for it personally. I was supposed to keep it like that, but then I found these stickers and I put these here as well. So now you can't really see the pencil board. Alright, so that's everything with the pockets. Then we get into, we get into the actual like inserts and stuff. I have a little page lifter here, because I have a card just put onto here. This is I think it was like a compliment card or something from kikki.K I got, I think a couple years ago. It says, "You'll never find a rainbow if you're looking down." And this was kind of a hint towards, you know, the rainbow theme. I tried to have a little bit. I mean, it's a really good quote too. You need to be open-minded. You need to look up and not just be stuck in your own world sometimes. And this is just stuck down with washi, so I can easily change this out. Because I have made this washi dashboard, which this is the back and the front. I do love these washies. And this washi dashboard I could easily reuse in other planners too, because it's colors I use a lot, like gold and pink I use pretty much in every setup. So yeah. Then I have some sticky notes here. These are from Kichi. Yes, Sticky notes are good to have, and I love the checklist ones. Then we have papers. All the dividers are from papers from that Happie Scrappie kit I was talking about. I love this one. It says be beautiful, be happy, and little bees, and I love, so cute. So this first section is as my previous setups. The sections are the same. We have monthly, that's the back of that paper, and then I have this little acetate with sparkly dots, and we have these inserts from kikki.K, and they actually, color-wise, they do fit pretty well with this setup. They don't always, because they're quite colorful. Either way, so yeah, we have yearly overview and stuff, and then we have oh yeah, okay, so this is holding together the previous months that I've done. And so I'm not gonna talk about the whole virus situation. We're all in it. It sucks. We all know it. As you can see, there's stuff I had planned that, you know, can't happen now. So I probably need to put more of these cancelled and nope stickers. It's super sad, but either way, yeah, it's the same for everybody. I just have, yeah, lots of these for the rest of the year, I think. And the next section is my weekly section. Here's that paper. It looks like a bunch of washi strips, but the paper was designed this way, but it's really creative. Then that's the back of that one. And then I have this vellum, also from Happie Scrappie. I love this little dachshund flying with the balloons and the clouds. It's like hollow gold foiled. Really pretty. Yeah, this says weekly view. This is like the cover page. So this one and this like doesn't match the rest, but because all the weeks, you take out a page and then there's something missing. But I have some previous weeks in here, so that's the first full week. And I'm just flipping through some of my weeks I have in here. Oh, I did a plan with me with this one. That was a nice week. Then I have some more springy colors. And this is like the past 2 weeks. I used the same kit for 2 weeks in a row, which is kind of new to me. But I love this kit. I can't remember what month this was. This is also Happie Scrappie kit. It was so cute. I loved it. And then I have begun the next week here using an Easter kit. This is from, I believe, Fox and Cactus. I do it kind of day by day. And that's the way it works the best for me, because then I know that what I put down is actually happening, especially now when things are changing so quickly. Maybe sometimes that things happen, like change the same day, so you don't even know anymore. I have the rest of the school year for me. I finish by the end of May, so I have all of May in here. Also, these inserts are from Gen Web Designs. All right, then we have the third divider, which is this paper, super cute. I love the colors in this kit, so happy, so springy. And that's the back. This was my, home section, yes. And then I have this acetate. This is actually simply Gilded. I think it was from the October box. The flowers I thought really matched. Then I have some to-do sheets. These are also from Gen Web Designs. I found these when I was going through my planner stash. I'm like, oh, I need to use those. It's good to have to-do lists, and I love pre-made ones. I can just write what it is, check it off. It's nice to have pre-made inserts and not have to like draw it out all by yourself, because I tend not to do it as much, which is bad. I'm currently on spring break. This is some stuff I want to do during my spring break. Then, ooh, yay! More vellum in the middle of section. I think I needed to divide the different sections. Also Happie Scrappie vellum. Then I have some note paper. So I have some old inserts I've had in my planner for a long time. These don't really match this planner, but I've had it in another planner previously. And then here I have weight tracker, and I feel like I don't really need to, publish my weight online, but I have a weight tracker on the next page. And then I have things to organize, as you can see. And then I have some more notes. These are just kind of scrap paper from the original kikki.K paper that come with the planners. And then on the next page I have birthdays, which is probably also not a good idea for me to disclose because it's like names and last names and stuff, but it's birthdays for every month. I put a little Simply Gilded cute sticker on there. And behind that I have addresses, which is also not something I should show because it's kind of, you know, personal for the people I have written down in there. And now let's see, the fourth section is for school, and this is the paper I chose for that, and that's the back. And I have some, don't remember where it's from, but some vellum here. And then I have some school info. Let's see, this is also stuff I probably should not show. I can't really show you this because it's kind of personal stuff. Forgot to take it out. I was like, I want to film this video, and then I forgot to go through the planner beforehand. Either way, then I have some more note pages in case I need them. Let's see, and then we have the fifth section, which is work. And I don't really work at the moment because I'm in school, and because of different changes, I'm currently like, I don't really have work. So right now I'm really just a student. That's all I do. But in case, I still have my business. So in case something comes up, I still want to have a work section. So here's just some vellum. I have some to-do lists here as well. It was also for like future referencing because after school I am going to work. And then I have some just ideas. Oh, apparently this one was placed in the work section. Videos for this channel, so still need to do a lot of these. Whoops. Then we have the last section, must be the sixth one, yes, which is economy. Oh, I don't think I can show you much here either, but I can probably show you if I just let's see. So I love these inserts so much. So this is in Swedish, beställningar. It means purchases. So these are like online order inserts. So also from Jan Web Designs, but like the shop, the date, the products, the amount, when it's shipped and when it's received. Really great to have. I love to track that because sometimes, especially when I'm busy with other things in life, I order something and then sometimes I almost forget about it. And then I have, let's see if I have more of that so I can show you. I think I might, yes. So here I have some more. This is called, what's this? Räkningar. What's that in English? Gosh, I forgot the name. Bills, I think. So bills I have to pay, I put here. Then I have more expenses things. Ooh, and here was a bookmark. I'm not gonna show you what's behind because it's some expense info and I don't want to show that on the internet. But this is a bookmark I made out of some scrap paper from that same Happie Scrappie kit, and I added one of the big stickers that came so it's easy to see, and it looks cute from the top. I love this little bee butt and the flower. Really cute. I have some savings info. Looks like this. These were printable inserts from, I think the shop was called Elena Designs. I'm not entirely sure, on Etsy. And then I have some things I need to buy, like things I've run out of, I put here. Then I have, I'm not gonna show you, but on the other side I have put down wish list items that I want. It could be anything, usually things I don't need. Usually I've put things I do need, like things I've run out of. And here on the wish list is things I want, but it's not like necessary. Okay, so then I have, this is kind of an unnecessary item in my planner. I don't need to have it here, but I had a bunch of like planner dividers from an old planner. But they were really cute and the colors really matched this setup. So I could use it as a dashboard, could use it as a page lifter, but I already had dashboard and page lifter, so I put it back here anyway. And I cut the like divider tab off, so it's like a dashboard. I just really like this one. And then here I found this old like pocket, haven't used in a planner in a long time, to add a bunch of little sticker samplers that I could use that would be fitting. Here's some from Once More With Love. Let's see, maybe I can flip through them. I always forget that they're here. So here's some springy ones. some more. These are really cute. I always forget to flip through the back of my planner to see what I have. Because this is a really great idea, actually. And let's see, where was the beginning? I think that was the start. Here were some Coffee Monsters Co. ones. Really cute. As you know, this year I am going a year without buying new stickers, so I want to use the things I already have. So it's good for me to remind myself that I have stickers, and if I ever run out of special sheets like character stickers, I can flip through my sampler ones, because that's stickers too. And here I just had, was it one? Yeah, just one from kikki.Co. And then I have some kikki stickers. Once again, this is the same every single time. Every time I film a planner setup, it's like, I show you these, I'm like, oh, I need to be better at using these. And then next time I say the same thing and they're still here unused. I'm a bad girl. Either way, this is the page lifter. I love having a page lifter. It's so functional, really, really good. And then the pen I chose is this gorgeous Simply Gilded pen. I think this one came with the August kit of 2019. And it's this gorgeous, like, it goes from actually a yellow to a greenish minty color to a soft pink with gold, and all these colors just really matched, and they were soft and they work really well with this setup, so that's why I chose those. I love this. I love this setup. It's quite simple. I haven't put like decorating on the dividers because they're so decorated already. You don't really need to do that. I actually, these days I focus much more on like decorating the inserts instead and use up the stickers and washi that I have. But I love a pretty setup. I love to open this. Makes me happy every time. And that's the entire point. That's why I decorate my planners. Also, I realized I completely forgot to show you the top of the planner. So there's some details I forgot to show you. This little dangly ball sparkly charm, I think I got as a freebie from Dottie Moo. Then this little one, I think I got from the Hooting Pirate on Etsy. And let's see here. So we had this bookmark. It's from Lhey. I had it in my previous setup too. I love this one so much, and that's why I moved it into this planner as well. This bow paperclip is from Blush Bow Boutique, one of my favorite bow paperclip shops. She's also Europe-based, which is nice, and I love this one. But that's it. That's my current setup. I might move into something else soon. I always love to make planner setups. It's like one of my favorite things ever. So, yeah, I mean, I'll always keep you updated when things change. Either way, now I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, also don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.